what's going on. Here's my solution. Here's the runtime. So my challenge right now is to improve on this solution. Let's see if I can make the code simpler. I need this line. This line is for pushing into my heap. This is a min heap. Cool. Heap works because it will give us the smallest. Here, while stack, our current departure. Okay. Yes, finally. So I use a stack. And I use this airport map to keep track of mapping from departures to arrivals. I put everything into my airport maps list from the arrivals. But I use a min heap, which is I can use the module from Python. So it's a priority queue, but specifically a min heap. Then I do while stack. Departure is that if we cannot, basically, if the list is empty, then that means we can no longer add to the stack. But if the list exists, we can, append the first element because it's the lowest priority. Then we heap pop, update what our departure is, go to the next departure, keep adding to the stack, and removing from my priority queues in my mapping. Maps are from string to a priority queue of strings. If for some reason the airport map is empty priority queue, means that departure has no more arrivals that it can go to. In graph theory, that all neighbor nodes have been visited. It cannot traverse any edge. So pop from the stack, append to the backtrack. Continue doing that if you need to until the stack is empty. Return the backtrack in the reverse direction. The direction in which we backtrack is how we can go from it's the reverse path. Another way to do this would be to so I think you can also sort tickets. So this might work as well. I hope this works. What I'm trying to do is create a sorted tickets according to the arrivals in the reverse direction so that it is descending, so that the higher values are going to be appended to the departure first. So the arrivals will be in order of descending. So all I have to do is pop from the end of it to get the lowest priority. Okay.